In this lesson, we'll connect the motors and the video transmit module to the component tray. After completing this lesson, you'll be able to connect the ESCs to the motors and connect the video transmit module.
Next, we're going to plug in each motor. So now we have our camera. We're going to go ahead and plug it in so that red and black are the first 2-pin connector. And then the video connector is going to attach to the last pin. We'll zip tie this down for some cable management. We'll also zip tie the antenna as well once we have propellers on. Last thing we need to add is the antenna. So you notice that the connector's on the side, but if you remember during our design, we needed to have the connector plug in all the way through. And then we're going to add a zip tie. So we're going to send the zip tie up to the top, back down through, and then we're going to use that to hold the antenna in place. To hold it better, we're going to run it up through the top first. Once it's snug, make sure that we plug the connector back in. And we'll use the plastic lip to make sure it holds it in place, and snip the end of the zip tie. So now that the component tray is fully assembled, we can cut these zip ties and pull them out so that way they're not obstructing the battery. And all the components will stay in place. Next thing to do is to zip tie these down and add some propellers and test everything out.